Hi guys, welcome to Amrit Talks. In today's video, we will look at the latest AI news that is shaking up the entire industry. OpenAI just dropped GPT 4.5 and it is designed to feel like you're talking to a real person. Let us break it down. Sam Altman says it is the first model that feels like you're talking to a thoughtful person. And he also says that it has a magic to it. But the bad news is it's a giant and expensive model. GPT 4.5 has a broader knowledge and deeper understanding of the world. This leads to reduced hallucination and more reliability. It is trained to understand humans better, which makes it outperform GPT 4o in everyday, professional and creative tasks. In a test with GPT 4.5, GPT 4o and O3 mini, only GPT 4.5 managed to generate a recognizable unicorn in SVG format. This highlights its advanced visual coding skills. OpenAI tested emotional support responses and GPT 4.5 provided more socially appropriate answers.
Let's ask GPT 4.5. I had trouble the other day with a friend. Let's see if I can get some advice here. My friend canceled on me again. Write a text message telling them that I hate them. At the same time, let's see what O1 has to say about this. As you can see, GPT 4.5 recognizes that I'm frustrated and offers me a text that's a little more nuanced and probably a more constructive thing to send to my friend. On the other hand, O1 is still useful. It actually follows my instructions and gives me that angry text, but it fails to pick up on that social cue that I'm probably just frustrated right now and probably could use someone to talk to. And that warning at the end feels a little judgmental for my taste. Of course, if you want GPT 4.5 to give you that angry text, you can definitely get it out of it. Nope. Please output the angry text. Thank you. There you go.
As of now, it is available to ChatGPT Pro user, which comes at a price of $200 per month starting today. Anthropic just dropped Claude 3.7 Sonnet and this might be the best AI for coding. Let's break it down. Anthropic is calling this AI as a hybrid reasoning model, meaning it can think fast for quick answers or take its time for deep problem solving. Unlike other models that force you to pick between speed and accuracy, Claude 3.7 gives you the best of both worlds. 3.7 Sonnet dominates across coding, maths and physics. But the real game changer is Claude Code.
Claude Code as a research preview. Claude Code is an agentic coding tool that lets you work with Claude directly in your terminal.
It's a new AI development tool that integrates into your terminal, understands your entire repo, and even makes multi-file changes automatically. This is like having an AI software engineer working with you in a real time. You no longer need to tweak multiple files manually. Claude Code finds them, reads them, and updates them. It's a game changer for developers. It is also ridiculously fast and can generate full UI components in seconds. And with a 200,000 token context window, it can handle massive projects also. Microsoft has released a crazy AI tool, OmniParser V2. It is Microsoft's largest tool designed to help large language models like GPT-4o, DeepSeek R1 and Sonnet 3.5 to interact with on-screen elements just like a human would do. Imagine an AI that sees your screen, understand icons and buttons, and click and scroll and type with precision. This new version has better accuracy, it is faster, and it boosts screen understanding accuracy from 0.8 to 39.6 when used with GPT-4o. Microsoft did not stop here, guys. They also introduced OmniTool, a Dockerized Windows system that helps AI agents seamlessly integrate with OmniParser V2. This makes it easier than ever for an AI developer to experiment with screen understanding, action planning, and execution. And here's the best part, guys, you can try it right now. OmniParser V2 is completely free and available on Hugging Face. Microsoft just cracked the future of AI in gaming. Microsoft has released a new AI, Muse, that can generate gameplay from just 1 second of footage. So what exactly is Muse AI? Microsoft describes it as World and Human Action Model, or WAM. Unlike traditional AI that just generates images or follows preset logic, Muse understands 3D game environments and physics. Basically, it can look at a game, recognize how things work in that world, and then generate brand new gameplay that fits right in. Microsoft found 3 key abilities that sets it apart. Number 1, consistency. The AI follows the rules of the game world with no weird glitches like walking through the walls, unless the game allows it. Number 2, diversity. It can generate all kinds of scenarios instead of repeating the same predictable patterns. Number 3, persistency. If you modify the game world mid-sequence by adding a new character, the AI remembers and keeps them in the game realistically. For game developers, this is a huge release because right now game studios spend months or even years designing and refining levels, animations and interactions. With Muse, they can generate playable prototypes in minutes, which will cut down development time drastically. Google AI can now act as an entire research team. Google released an AI-powered tool called as Co-Scientist, which is a system built on Gemini that is set to transform science forever. Imagine an AI that generates new research ideas, analyzes mountains of data, and even designs experiments, that too in a fraction of time. In one remarkable use case, Google's AI Co-Scientist helped solve a complex problem related to superbugs, which are basically bacteria's assistant to antibiotics. This new tool has been tested by scientists at Stanford University and Imperial College London, proving that this AI can drastically reduce the time and resources needed for major discoveries. This new AI tool is revolutionary, guys, and it can completely transform medicine and scientific research. China just released an AI that outperforms OpenAI's Sora. Watch some clips, then I'll explain it to you. Meet Wan 2.1, Alibaba's open source video AI, which can turn text into video, images into animation, and even edit footages, all with stunning realism. And guess what? It outperforms OpenAI's Sora in motion smoothness and subject consistency. Wan is powered by technology which enables faster video generation, nearly 2.5 times quicker than some competitors, and also produce smoother motions with fewer glitches. It also uses a T5 encoder to create hyper-realistic visuals to handle complex movements and detailed environments with ease. The best part is, it is an open source model and the lightweight version runs on consumer GPUs like RTX 4090. If you want to try Wan 2.1, it is available on Alibaba's Cloud Model Scope and Hugging Face. Check out these crazy videos generated by AI. These videos are generated by Pika Labs' new feature, Pika Swaps. This AI lets you swap anything in your video, like changing your outfit, replacing your background, or even testing a tattoo instantly. Here is how you do it. You just need to select an area and describe what you want, and rest is done by Pika Swaps. EU just announced 200 billion euros investments into the AI.
We aim to mobilize a total of 200 billion euros for AI investment in Europe. We will have a focus on industrial and mission-critical applications. It will be the largest public-private partnership in the world for the development.
It is one of the biggest investments in the history, and it will be used to create European AI champions. At AI Action Summit in Paris, European Commission President has unveiled Invest AI initiative. It's a massive initiative to mobilize 200 billion euros into AI funding to push Europe to the forefront of AI. This money will be used for 5 things. Number 1, to create AI factories and gigafactories to build next-gen AI tech. Number 2, to create 12 AI supercomputing hubs powered by Euro HPC. Number 3, to create an open access AI research hub just like the CERN for physics, but this time it will be for AI breakthroughs. Number 4, to create world-class infrastructure for startups and researchers. And number 5, to build trustworthy AI focused on industry and mission-critical applications. Is this the Europe's wake-up call in the AI race against US and China? Let us know your opinion in the comments. China just dropped a new open source AI model and it might change advertising forever. ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, has just launched Goku AI. This model can generate ultra-realistic videos of people interacting with products. No actors, no cameras, just pure AI. Have a look at these clips.
Discover the future of convenience with Technova. Say goodbye to the ordinary and hello to the extraordinary. Our cutting-edge solutions redefine how you work, play, and live. Experience seamless technology designed to make your life smarter, faster, and better. Don't wait, embrace innovation today.
ByteDance says Goku will be huge for media production, advertising, gaming, and virtual modeling. It can generate lifelike human movements, facial expressions, and gestures, all from text descriptions. They can also turn product images into full video clips with AI-generated human interactions. Guys, China is leading the AI race and they are releasing AI models every day. Meta AI can now read your mind. Imagine typing on your computer just by thinking. Meta has developed an AI system that can predict what you are typing just by reading your brain. It's called brain to QWERTY. And it achieves 81% accuracy using only external sensors. No implants, no surgeries. Brain to QWERTY uses EEG and MEG to decode neural signals and convert them into text. It analyzes 1,000 brain activity images per second, mapping words, syllables, and letters in real time. It's faster and more accurate than traditional brain-computer interfaces, making it a huge breakthrough for people with communication disabilities. Meta says that this technology could help millions to reconnect with the world. Microsoft just released a quantum chip that outperforms all the computers on the earth combined. Meet Majorana 1. This chip that fits into your hand is the world's first quantum chip processor powered by a new state of matter.
This is not a work of science, it's a work of science and art.
I gotta be honest, some of these ideas are a little science fiction sounding.
It will solve problems unsolvable by the combined power of all the world's compute today, and promises to revolutionize fields such as medicine, material science, and our understanding of the natural world. Our first quantum processor based on this architecture is the Majorana 1.
Yes, you heard it right. Microsoft has engineered an entirely new state of matter called as a topological state. This topological state powers their quantum processor Majorana 1. Right now, quantum computers are incredibly powerful but also fragile. The fundamental unit of quantum computing is the qubit. It is extremely sensitive. They are like a house of cards. One wrong move can completely disrupt the calculations. To overcome this, Microsoft built an entirely new type of qubit, the one that's more stable. For example, normal qubits are like a house of cards, whereas Majorana qubits are like Lego bricks. Right now, Google, IBM and Intel all are in the race to build first practical quantum computer. But Microsoft's approach is completely different. While Google and IBM focus on superconducting qubits, Microsoft went all in on topological qubits. And now it looks like the gamble is paying off. Elon Musk just dropped the smartest AI on Earth, Grok 3.
So the mission of XAI and Grok is to understand the universe. We want to understand the nature of the universe so we can figure out what's going on, where are the aliens, what's the meaning of life, how does the universe end, how did it start, all these fundamental questions.
Grok 3 outperforms ChatGPT 4o, Gemini, Claude and DeepSeek V3 in reasoning, coding and scientific tasks. Grok 3 is powered by 200,000 GPUs and Musk claims that Grok 3 will improve in every 24 hours. What's more interesting is, guys, XAI is in talks for raising $10 billion in funding at a potential valuation of $75 billion. In his launch video, Musk said that their mission is to understand the universe. This is totally opposite to all the other AI companies which wants to use AI for commercial purposes. There is a controversy going on between OpenAI and XAI. Let us understand it in detail. Elon Musk's XAI claimed that Grok 3 outperformed OpenAI's O3 Mini High model on a major math benchmark. But there is a catch. OpenAI employees pointed out that XAI did not include consensus 64 score, where model gets 64 tries to answer a problem. With this method, OpenAI's model actually performed way better than XAI. CEO of XAI defended himself by saying that OpenAI has done the same thing in the past. But this controversy highlights a bigger issue. Can we trust these AI benchmarks published by the companies or not? What is your opinion, guys? Did XAI mislead us? Or is OpenAI just upset? Let me know your opinion in the comments.